Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add calendar to the side in Outlook. So do you want to keep your calendar in view while you check emails or write messages? In this video I'll show you how to pin your Outlook calendar to the side of your inbox using the Outlook web app. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open your browser and go to outlook.live.com. Now log in using your Microsoft Outlook account and you'll land in your inbox view by default, which we have here. In your inbox, look to the right hand side of the screen and you should see a small calendar icon. All right, so you can see that this small calendar icon in the at the top right corner. Actually it is labeled My Day. Let's just say stuff like that. Even have Notion, it's integrated. So click on the My Day icon. It's the calendar with a check mark. So we are here. Now when you click it, you see a sidebar will slide out from the right, showing a mini calendar view. Now your agenda, or it also shows your agenda or events for the day. Once you click on to do, anything you have, whatever event that you have, you're going to find it in to do. You can also click on manage all tasks and create any tasks that you want to create in here. This is the calendar view. So from the sidebar, you can click on any day to preview your schedule, see your upcoming events. You can even add events if you want to add events. Okay, so click on new event here at the bottom to add event, without leaving the inbox. You can also use the gear icon inside the sidebar to adjust settings like time zone or weather to show events from all linked calendars. Okay, and that's how it works. So a bonus tip for you quickly. So click the open calendar link at the bottom of the sidebar. It will take you directly to the full calendar view in a new tab or window. That's if you want to do that. That's here, open calendar. So now you can stay on top of your day without switching tabs or losing focus. So go over the tutorial from top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps in the course. Once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.